Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact GPU model and your operating system because the correct package depends on that detail. Once identified, make a restore point or quick system image so you can revert if needed. Now, close demanding applications and temporarily disable antivirus to avoid installer conflicts. Plug into power if on a laptop. Then open the manufacturer's driver tool or official download page. This is the one reliable method, and locate the latest WHQL sign driver for your exact hardware. You download the matching driver package from the vendor and verify the file name and digital signature to ensure authenticity. Once downloaded, run the installer with administrator privileges. Choose a clean install if you want to remove old driver artifacts or standard install for speed. Follow prompts and grant permissions when asked, because drivers modify low-level system components. During installation, avoid interrupting the process. Monitor progress and read any options that affect display settings or telemetry before proceeding to the final reboot. After installation, reboot and confirm the new driver version in Device Manager or the vendor utility, because verification prevents lingering issues. Test a game or benchmark to ensure stability and make display adjustments if needed. If you see crashes or black screens, boot to safe mode and either roll back the driver or run display driver uninstaller for a complete clean reinstall. This one-step cleanup fixes most stubborn conflicts. Finally, re-enable antivirus, restore any paused services, and keep the driver utility for future updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.